this is Sushma, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a recipe, and this recipe is basically world famous, especially Telangana famous, and the recipe is Sarvappa or Sarva Pindi we call it. And yeah, this is a traditional dish here. So let us check it out, what all we need and how it is prepared. People prepare this dish at home, but these days this is also available outside in the shops and hotels because of its popularity. So let us see how this world famous Sarvappa is prepared, and my mother is gonna prepare it. So let's see how it turns out.
Now let us see what all ingredients we would require. We would need 4 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of coriander leaves chopped, 1 big chopped onion, 1 cup of soaked chana dal. You would soak it for 4 to 6 hours before you are going to prepare it, and you would need 1 or 2 cups of water. You would need 1 cup of peanuts, 1 cup of chopped curry leaves, and a 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. Along with these ingredients, we would also need some garlic cloves, 2 to 3 green chilies which are roughly chopped. We would need some chili powder, maybe a 1/4 tablespoon, and very little turmeric, some jeera, and some dhania or coriander seed. We have to grind garlic, green chilies, coriander seeds, and our jeera into a fine paste, so that we can mix it in the rice flour or in our dough preparation. Please have a look at the ingredients once again so that you don't miss anything during the preparation. Now let us take a big mixing pan and add all our ingredients one after the other, like rice flour, sesame seeds, chana dal, peanuts, onions, curry leaves, coriander leaves, etc. One after the other, and mix it into a dough. You basically mix all the ingredients first, and then once all the ingredients are nicely mixed, you add water to it and make it into your dough. Here you can see we are adding all the ingredients. Here this is the paste of green chilies, coriander, dhania, and garlic. We are mixing this paste as well. You can make it into a paste or coarsely grind it. I have forgot to mention you salt, so we are also adding the required amount of salt depending upon the taste. The amount which I have told you, the quantities which I have mentioned here, makes up to 8 to 10 sarvappas, which is sufficient for my family. Now let us nicely mix this and make it into a dough. Dough is ready now. Now let us check the pans which are required to prepare this sarvappa. You basically kind of need this type of flat pans. Most of the people here have it already. If you don't have this type of pan, you can use any type of kadai, that will also work, but these are the pans especially made to prepare this. But I used to prepare in the pan, so that also works. You need not have to worry about the pan. and you may need two pans. In one pan we are gonna add oil, which is enough to dip the sarvappa. And don't worry about the oil because it doesn't absorb much oil. And you have to take this size ball and take the pan, apply a little oil on the base and press it gently onto the pan and make it flat as shown here. Once you have made it flat enough, you are going to make small holes like this so that the appa gets evenly cooked, and in this holes you are going to add a little oil so that it doesn't stick onto the bottom and gets fried nicely. And now we have kept this pan on the stove, and let it cook for a minute. Once it is cooked for a minute, we are going to add this hot oil which is already been heated so that this appa gets nicely cooked and doesn't stick onto the bottom and comes up. Basically, don't worry about the oil, it doesn't absorb much oil. You can also cook without adding the oil, but it might stick to the pan. So to avoid the appa sticking to the pan, we are gonna add hot oil onto this so that the appa pops up from the pan. In this way we are gonna cook the appa and remove it from the pan using a spoon. And that's it, our Sarvappa or Sarva Pindi is ready, and there is another batch which is being cooked. So on one stove basically the appa gets cooked, and on the other stove we basically heat the oil and add to the appa. So this way you are gonna prepare your Sarvappas, and yeah, this is the recipe of the world famous or Telangana special Sarvappa. Guys, this is a very tasty and crispy snack, and because we have added peanuts and chana dal, sesame seeds, this doesn't it's healthy and it doesn't digest easily, so you can make it as a meal for dinner or your lunch or breakfast, and this itself is a whole meal. And yeah, please prepare this and let us know how it turned up.
Please do try this recipe at home. You will definitely love it, and if you like it, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and also please share the video with your friends and family, and definitely this video is going to be helpful. I have also mentioned the links of my other recipes below in the description. Please do check those as well. And yeah, that's it for today. Until I catch you with my next video, bye bye. Please stay safe, stay happy and stay healthy.